Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 7 winning products that you need to be selling in this May 2023. The only thing that's holding you back from achieving some good figures like this. It's just one winning product. That's why I've done my research and handpicked the hottest products to sell so you can maximize your profits. So no more talking, and let's go ahead and jump into the first product. Product number 1 is this electronic ruler. The electronic ruler is a winning product to sell for 2 reasons. First, it's a practical and useful tool that can make measuring and cutting easier and more accurate. It's perfect for enthusiasts, crafters, and anyone who needs to measure and cut objects with precision. Second, it's a modern and high-tech product that can appeal to a wide audience. This product is also killing it on TikTok, with videos demonstrating the electronic ruler's features and capabilities have gone viral on the platform with millions of views. To give you an idea on what you might price this, the website selling this has it priced at $39.99, regular $99.99. And you can find this product on AliExpress with a cheap price of $14.36, and with a completely free shipping. After all, you are looking at a great profit margin of $25.63. On the next product we have this wine pump. The website selling this product has it priced at £29.99, which is about $37.38. I found this product on AliExpress for $24.99, and with a completely free shipping. After all, you are looking at an amazing profit margin of $12.39. Next, we have this Astronaut Galaxy projector. This product is doing pretty well on TikTok, with millions of views on videos showcasing its features and capabilities. And I know that this product been on the market for some time, but it still has great potential. To give you an idea on what you might price this at, I found this website selling this product for $49.99, regular $99.98. But for the product itself, AliExpress is selling it for $18.47 and offers a completely free shipping. After all, you're going to look at a great profit margin of $31.52. On the next one, we have this dog sofa cover. The dog sofa cover is a soft and cozy blanket designed specifically for dogs. Is another top winning product to sell on Shopify through dropshipping. It's a unique and innovative product that can add value to your store and help you stand out in a crowded market. You can get this product from AliExpress for $27.30, and with a free fast 12-day delivery. To give you an idea of how much you might price this product, I found a website that is doing a great job selling it with different sizes, small, medium, and large, as well as 4 different color options. The price for this product is $51.51, which is a reasonable price, so you can look at a good profit margin of $24.21. Product number 5 is this interesting rechargeable sunflower LED. The rechargeable sunflower LED is another top winning product to sell on Shopify through dropshipping. It's a unique and creative product that can add personality and style to any room. And it's a practical and functional product that can provide a warm and soft light for various purposes. And if you're looking for a product that's fun, functional, actually, up until this moment, I haven't seen anyone selling this product, which means you have a great opportunity to be one of the first to market it and stand out from the competition. So this is definitely one to consider. And last but not least, we have this electric juicer blender. Healthy living is a top priority for many people these days, and juicing and blending have become popular ways to achieve this. As a result, the electric juicer blender is in high demand, especially among health enthusiasts and fitness buffs. When it comes to the price, I found this product being sold on a website for $47.99, which is a great deal considering its regular price of $64.99. Most people expect electronic products to be expensive, so this price point is very reasonable and can attract potential buyers who are looking for a good value for their money. You can find this product on AliExpress with a good price of $25.57, and with a completely free fast 12-day delivery. After all, you are going to look at an amazing profit margin of $15.43. On the last product, we have this Flame Humidifier Aromatherapy. The Flame Humidifier Aromatherapy is a trendy and stylish product that combines the functionality of a humidifier with the aesthetic appeal of a decorative piece. This product has been gaining popularity due to its unique design that mimics a burning flame, creating a cozy and comforting ambience in any room. As for pricing, this product can be found on CJ Dropshipping for $6.99. You can set your own pricing strategy on your Shopify store by considering factors such as product cost, profit margin, and competitors' pricing. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest videos, and see you in the next one.